morning student. In previous period we also taking information about as a trade, and that we also seen as the different types of the trade, that we also take as the information about as the different types of, as the first of according to the basis of the quantity of goods, that the two parts of wholesale and the retail of the trade. The next type of the trade as on the basis of the exchange of the goods means a trade of reason, and these trade of reason also divided of the two parts. One is the domestic and internal of the trade, and second of as a international level means external of the trade. But in this period we are also going to study as the import and export, because we know about it, export and import. Export and import are the basic process of the international trade. When a country buys of the sum of the goods and their services which are scarce in their own of the country from another country, means export means when the country of what is the meaning of first of import. So when the country of the buys of the some goods and services to of which of the scarce in their own of the country from another country, that the process of the import. But when the process of as the opposite of this idea, when a country produces of the excess goods and services then require, it sell these countries to which have a demand for it of these goods for it, so that the process of the export. Means export and import are the different ideas, different of the things, and this process of different to each other. So this process of export and import. Import means which of this country have to our country, but to from of the another country, but which have required of the which of the things and demanded. So it is of these goods are to buying, to sales and to export of the other countries when or which of their demand for it, that is called the export. Now next point we also discuss about as a balanced trade. What is the balanced trade? So import and the export values of a country in a specific period, it is called balanced trade. Means both the values of as a export and import, that is the specific period of called is the balanced trade. So first of this are unfavorable, and this balance of trade has also three parts. One is unfavorable, second is favorable of the balanced trade, and third is balanced trade. So these are three types of the balanced trade. So we are showing on this diagram that first unfavorable of the balanced trade. So in this unfavorable of the balanced trade, when the value of import, when the value of imports is more than of export, means when the value of import is more than of export, that the trade of we are calling unfavorable of the trade. Then next, when the value of export, when the value of export is more than of the import, that is the process of, that is the trade of we are calling favorable trade. But as both of these unfavorable and favorable is a different. But when we are saying that as a balanced trade, so when the value of import and export, it has the same value, so it is called the trade of balanced trade. Okay, that the three types. One is unfavorable, second is favorable, and third is balanced trade. Now, international trade of organization. Yes, carried out of, that is the balanced trade of this favorable. But now carrying out of the, we know about that is international labor is more complex processes than the domestic trade. Trade takes between of the two countries, two or more countries. Means domestic trade as very sometimes as the international level is more of the complex than of the domestic. But which factors are influence of the trade? So first of all, now these factors are means influence of this trade as the economic of these factors are like of the country of economic policy, then political policies, government policies, then judicial system, then market, then language, then currency means these factors are like to influence on the trade. For example, economic policy, then government policy, market, laws, judicial system, currency, language means these factors are influence of the trade. And the political relation between the two countries also influence of the trade. Yes. Now, when these factors are also influence of the trade, but these two of the countries are relations to depend their of the export means influence of their countries of the relations. Then sometimes obstacle in the way of trading affect the mutual relation observed. Means that the mutual relation is also depend. Then two countries of the relations are depending they depend upon their political relations of the two countries and influence of this trade. To avoid the international economic and trade organization came up to smoothen and justify the process of trade between the countries of different economic standing and some international economic organization were formed. That all these factors are depending to each other between the two countries when they start of the imported and export of these goods. So these factors are as the main reason to form of the different organization as like of the economic standing. International economic organization were formed in the world. And this period, next period, we also discuss about as the sub-economic organization of the world. So, in this period, I also explained, but only for favorable, unfavorable, favorable and balance. Okay. Now this diagram you will be draw in our copy. Thank you. Next period we will discuss about the different